Right, so we're going to do a quick tape comparison. I didn't mean it to be like this, but it's WTF. So this is Wicks Trade brand masking tape. This is Tesa tape, the precision that I like to use, and then this is frog tape. So I knew this would happen. The Wicks one, it's the cheapest one they got, and it's bleeding like crazy. It's not always best to go for the cheapest masking tape you can find. Now the precision. And that's why I use it. I'll zoom in a second, but that is very, very clean lines. Ooh, the frog tape, bleeding. Everyone normally swings over to frog tape because it's got very good marketing and it's known for being good, but this little test here says differently. So frog tape with a bit of bleed. Now it's on the same surface as slightly painted surfaces and bare wood, and obviously it's bleeding on the paint, and it's not too bad on the wood. Tesa, clean as you like. That's why I use it. Even on the paint, it's fine. And then Wicks own brand. Well, there you go. So there you go, quick comparison on 3 different types of tape. If you have any other tapes that you'd like me to test out, I'm more than happy to go out and buy some if I can find it, or if you have any, send it to me, that'd be great. So the brush test is coming soon. That will be posted again after this video, and that's quite interesting for me. I didn't realise frog tape would be as bad as that. You normally think of frog tape as one of the highest brands you can buy in masking tape, and that is the most expensive roll I could get for indoor use. So there you have it. And I've said it from the start, I use Tesa because of that reason. It doesn't bleed. It's the best tape I've found on the market. So yeah.